Today we will finish the document type controls, and we will try to finish account group and partner determination. Okay, let me log into the system.
Good morning.
Good morning, Prashant.
Sir, you are in mute.
Oh, sorry, I am speaking in mute. So we are not discussed on incompletion procedure, correct?
Yes.
Yeah, make a note. Incompletion procedure. It is a procedure which consists of list of mandatory fields which consists of list of mandatory fields which user has to enter during the order creation.
List of manual fields, sir.
Yeah, it's a list of mandatory fields which user has to enter during order creation. Noted?
Yes.
Yeah, if any of the mandatory field is missing, make a note. If any mandatory field is missing, then system will not allow to save the order.
Yes.
Due to incomplete document. The transaction code for configuring incompletion procedure. OVA2.
Yes.
Yeah. So The transaction code for configuration incompletion procedure is OVA2. So select the header. I am showing you one example how to configure this one. You can see here in the TRO document type, there was maintained as incompletion procedure 11. Okay. So 11, let me verify what is 11 first. 11, if you go to the fields, you can see here in the fields, it's maintained it as sales office and document currency. If those are missing, then system will not allow to save the document.
Yes.
If you save the sales order without sales office, then system will show it as it's incomplete. The control is incompletion. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. In the same way, we will try to add a few more fields here and make a note. The path also note it. SPRO, sales and distributions. Basic functions. Log of incompletion item.
Log.
Log. You can see here. I am sharing the screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Log of incomplete item.
Yes.
Define incompletion procedure. So we will create our own incompletion procedure. Okay. And we will try to assign to our document type TRO here. Okay.
Yes.
So select the sales header. Click on procedure. Go to change mode. Go to new entries. T1 incomplete. Test. I have given like this. Select this and go to fields. So what and all fields we are going to add? Let me tell you. This is 16N. VBKD. So VBKD is the business table. I mean the sales document business data will be stored in the VBKD table. So these are all the important fields. If those fields are missing, then system should not allow to save the document. That is what our request. So that is what we are going to do now. So
Yes.
what are all the important fields? Incoterms. I took it as one important field is Incoterms, INCO1, and payment terms is also important. Let me try to add Incoterms. Incoterms is INC01. Go to new entries and enter the table and VBKD and field name is INC01 is Incoterms, and another field I will give. Likewise, you can give anything. Okay.
Yes.
It depends on the business requirement. You can do anything, but I am giving you the important fields which is mandatory for the invoice processing and all. So VBKD is the business table, business data, which will be passed from customer master to sales document. So I was taking these fields as a important fields. If those fields are missing, then our system should not allow to save the document. That is what our request. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I'm adding payment terms, input terms, emotional, and any other important fields. Yeah, I will take the PBKD. PO number. If it is PO number is missing, then system should not allow to save the document. Okay, that is our request. So BSTKD, INCO1, Z term. I took Incoterms, payment terms, and PO number. Okay,
Yes.
clear?
Yes.
Yeah. Now click on status. So here you can see there are a number of status will be there. Okay. So if for example, if you see the status group 01, it's blocking at order. General in the sense order. You think these are all the statuses blocking at order level. If you check the delivery here, for example,
That will block the delivery.
okay, that will block at delivery level. Okay, the status will be controlled in the previous screen. I will show you where to control. Here we need to select that existing status group. I am selecting order level. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if 01, you can see here other status groups. It's for example, you can see the 04. It's flagging at order level and delivery level. Billing level is also it's flagging. Okay. And if you see the 04, it's also blocking it post goods
Mhm.
movement. I mean PGI also it's blocking. If you see the 01, it's packing, it's stopping. It's flagging at packing level. And picking level, it's packing. See, you see the 16 is flagging at picking level. Okay, these are all already predefined in the system. You have to choose any one based on the request. Okay, for our
Why it
case,
is required, sir?
so it's why it is required. See, if we have client requirement is they want without payment terms and without system should not allow to create the order. That is client
May-
requirement.
So maybe they would forget if it is not there.
Yeah, if you see in the mean by mistake in a customer master level or material master level, they might have missing some fields. I mean, by creation of the master data, there is a chance of miss of the some fields. So while creating the sales order, data will be missing in sales order as well, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So in that case, to avoid that mistakes, we will set the status group uh, in completion procedure, like while creating the order, these important fields has to be there, otherwise system should not allow to create the order. So it's going forward, we don't have any issue with that. The particular fields there are missing in the subsequent documents. Okay, in the initial itself we are validating by making these checks. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So I'm checking this delivery block. Sorry, sales order block. General in the sense sales order block. I've selected the status group for all this. Then click on save. Save. There was some fields are there. Warning. I think it will give the warning. Go back. Created T1 here. Saved it. What I already saved. Back. And assign our incompletion procedure to our document type. Assign incompletion procedure. Go to assign procedure to fail sales document types. It's locked by me. Where it is locking. Yeah, because we have in document change mode. So I come into display mode here. Assign procedure to sales document type. Go to our document type, TRO. So earlier it's maintained as 11, that is displaying in this document type controls, correct?
Yes.
So now I will change it to T1. So test in completion procedure, that description is also copied into here and save it. Now we go to TRO. Whether we are assigned, right? But why it's showing the 11 here again? Yeah, TRO and save. I think we need to go back one more time. Now you can see incompletion procedure is T1. Okay, our procedure is assigned to our document type. Now you try to create the sales order without incoterms and PO number and payment terms. Let's see whether our system is going to allow or not. See, there is no PO number I have mentioned. Let me check, is there any completion log? See, it is saying that PO number is missing. Got the point, guys?
Yes.
So if for example, incoterms I will try to remove and see the incompletion. So there was missing of incoterms here. And other thing is we try to remove the incoterms. These are all the fields we make it as mandatory in the incompletion procedure. So I click on enter and go to the incompletion. See, there was missing of PO number, incoterms, and some important fields are missing. So it's saying these are all missing. Okay, that's clear.
Yes, sir. Here, two times terms of payment is missing, sir. Here it is one.
Yeah. So why it is two times of incompletion coming? Because payment terms usually copied from the customer master into sales document. So the payment terms which and all is copied into sales document header will also be copied into item level also. See the line item, it is saying that item, right? The line item.
Yes.
For that item, it will copy from the header item. From here, from terms of payment from the header, it will copy it into item terms of payments. Okay, so it is saying like missing at both the places. Okay, so I will try to enter the remaining all the things one more time. 01, and what is our CIF standard one we are using? We have not created so far. Right, is determined and now we go and check is there any incompletion. The document is correct.
Yes.
So this is the control based on the client requirements, what and all the fields they want to be make it as mandatory. You can control from incompletion procedure. Now you know, right, how to assign and how to create incompletion procedure. Yes.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
For
This is
for every sales order, we need to check this, sir.
It's not like that. So we are assigned the incompletion procedure T1 to the TRO document type. So the what and all the fields is maintained in this T1 procedure, and that will be assigned to that will be work for the TRO document type amount. Okay. So whatever the procedure you are assigned to sales document type, that document you can check. Clear?
Yes.
So in the same way, you can add many fields as per the request. If you want to go back, I will show you. So what and all for your analysis, what you can do for your testing. Go to the header, go to fields. Check the procedure. So earlier, it is this one. You go here. You try to add. See, in the same. I mean, you can add sales office and document currencies also for your testing. Okay. We can add additionally two more fields like we are added Incoterms, payment terms, PO number as a mandatory reference fields. Okay. The same way, in additionally you can add few more fields like sales office document currency. You can add it for your testing, so that you will be having a clear understanding what it is mean for. Okay. So that means you are set the incompletion procedure for 5 fields. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You can test in this way, so that you will be thorough with the understandings. Okay. So where we are in completion procedure. Transactional group. So this field controls the sales document type. You can see here, if you click on F4 button, see it is a order screen. 01 is the order screen, 1 is the inquiry screen, 2 is the quotation screen. Okay. So if you maintain 1 for this TOR document type, then system will allow to create the sales order with the transaction VA. What is the quotation inquiry transaction code? VA11, correct?
Yes.
Yeah. So the control is here. This field controls what is the transaction type for this document type creation. So if you check 01, it will be allowed to create the sales order with the transaction code VA01. If you make it 1, then system will see. I will show you for your understanding. It's not even 1 minute. Go to field. I will check it as 1 here. Let's save it. Now I try to create the order with the transaction VA01. You see what it is saying? Process sales statement type here O with the transaction VA11. Got it?
Yes, sir.
The control is there. So I'm changing back to 0 again. For your understanding, I changed that one. So next important field is, so you know document pricing procedure, right? Document pricing procedure is one of the parameters to determine the prices into sales document. Okay? Clear, guys?
Sir.
Yeah. Next is make a note. Status profile. This we are not discussed the previous class. Make a note. This is some important field. Is this?
Sir, we discussed, sir.
I don't think have you done any configuration? No, right?
No, sir.
Sir explained it is an order to release process after creating the sales order.
Yeah, we are discussed. Have you done any configuration for this?
No, sir.
No. So make a note. Status profile. Yes, I think I have given a note. It's a order release process to release the sales order after after created the order by the end users. Correct? That is what I have given the notes, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So let's see how that status will work in SAP. Okay. So
Yes.
let me what is the transaction? Take a note. Path for the defining status profile. SPRO. See what and all the path is routing from the sales and distribution. Those are all responsible by our team. Okay. I mean SD.
Mm.
Yeah. Sales and distribution. SPRO, sales and distributions. Sales document. Define and assign status profile. Now double click on define status. Noted the path.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the transaction going to be noted. In the below you can see PS02. The shortcut also you can type this PS02. Transaction code for status profile is BS02. Okay. Yeah. Now here, go to new entries. Status profile, whatever you want to create, you can create your own. And the status profile I am giving as T status 1. And the text you can mention anything. Status profile. Maintenance language is CN. Okay. I'm copying this one. So I have created my one. Now double click on this our status profile. This is what we are created now. Okay. So maintain status profile, status number, then this here we will create our own status E001 and text I will give it as end user. And the initial need to be marked. Make a note these and all the fields. I have referred somewhere this one for this, the controlling of the status profile. Okay. Make a note these and all you may forget later. Lowest status, it should be 10, and highest status is 20. I don't know whether this is standard one or not. I don't see any F4 section here, but this is how the status profile will work. Okay, we need to give the status of lowest number is 10 and highest number is 20. I don't know whether we can change this one or not, but the standard protocol is this one. We have to use 10 and 20 number ranges. Okay.
Yes.
One
And
second.
yeah, make a note this status number, status, and the first one, the status which you are going to create, you need to mark initial status. Next status 20, T002 end user. After that, super user. So here again the status lowest number range is 10 and highest is 30. So 30 T003. I was creating this my own. Okay.
How many you have to create, sir?
So see, we can set up to for see the thing is the we are going to black the order. So what is the purpose of status profile first? It's an order release process. Okay. After creating the sales order by the end user, the order will be sent to
Authorized
concerned person to cross check. Okay. So first of all, what the user is created here. After the user, that authorized person is super user. User has to validate the order. Once after super user validated, then we have to go for the other user, core user. I will type it as core user. Example I am telling.
Yes.
Okay. So in the real time that will be different. Like end user, the next core user, and after that sales head, sales manager. Likewise, there is having their hierarchies. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So
Initial check is for only for first end user, right?
first end user. So initially the order will be created by the end users, correct?
Yes.
So I set the initial status as the end user. So next I give the lowest number and it is giving it as 40 and 40 number T004 core user sales head and give it as I will give it as 50 here. Let's see. So the position is automatically copied here. Now we go to the double click on the status T001 which we are created now. Go to the new address. Object types. First define object type it is. One second, guys. So select this one, go to the object types. Yeah, this is object type. So once after created this, all the statuses. Okay, once again. Once after created all the statuses, click on object types and search for the sales header. Sales header, yeah, this one. You mark this one and click on save. Okay.
Mhm.
Now go one step back. Double click on T001. New address. You can see here there was the same way. Likewise, just now we are checking the status groups, right?
Yes.
So there was a same kind of settings here. Settings there here. So the first user we are assigning T001. The end user, whatever he will create. Once after created the order, so we need to check what and all he is not authorized. Once after he's created the sales order in the SAP, I think. So he is not able to allow create delivery. So what and all he is not able to create, that we need to forbidden. You can check this. You have to check forbidden button here. So he's created the order. End user is created the order. He is not able to create the delivery. So I have marked this one. Then goods movement also I have marked. So he is not able to create the goods movement. And post goods issue.
Sir, you mean to say you can't till delivery can't come, sir, or how?
No, see, it's like we are giving the permissions to the user. Okay, so once the user is created the sales order, so what is the purpose of this status profile is once the user is created the order has to move to some concerned persons to validate the order. Okay, so what we are doing, the end user. So this is the status of the end user. So what and all you will mark as forbidden. For that many transactions he is not able to allow. Okay. So what I checked here, create delivery, I have unmarked. I have marked it here, forbidden. So he is not able to create the delivery.
So he will come up, he will create up to delivery, but he'll not able to create delivery.
He is create up to sales order. So far he was created the sales order. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So once after creating the sales order, the order has to go to the concerned person. I mean the next level, the super user is there for in our case. Okay. The super has to user has to access to go inside to that change mode of the sales order, and he will validate. If it is he feel like everything is okay, then he can approve. Hope you remember, guys, when you are doing inquiry document, there was a stage. So once the inquiry is approved, then only you can able to create the sales order. Correct? Guys, hope you remember while testing in the inquiries and all.
Yes, sir, we'll do tick approve.
Yeah, we need to check approve. Then only you can allow to create the sales order. That means you are validated the inquiry
Yes, sir.
in the system point of view. Correct?
Yes.
Sir.
Yeah. So in the same way, we are making the setup for our sales document TRO. Post goods issue I have unmarked. So what and all the transactions once after created the delivery? Sorry, sales order. So I will check create billing also forbidden. So once after created the delivery, there was options to create the sales or delivery. I have make it as the delivery forbidden for the end user, and also billing also forbidden. I have make it as this one also forbidden, and
Which PGI?
yeah, PJ post goods issue also forbidden. That means I have given the authorization, not given the authorization for this end user for creation of these many documents. Okay. Okay, guys, understood, right? Concept is clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. Now save it. Go one step back in the same way. So double click on that T002. Go to new interest. So the end user is created the order, and that went to super user. Now so super user, he can able to create the order. Okay. So I will mark unmark this forbidden for this creation order. I will mark this as post goods issue. We are not asking. He is not authorized. Who the super user is not authorized for creation of post goods issue. So we market this post goods issue as a forbidden, and create billing document also forbidden here. Okay.
Yes.
No confusions, right? So I have saved this. In the similar way, I'm going back. I'm assigning the third user. Create. So here he can able to do the PGI. So I no need to mark forbidden for this PGI for the core user. Create billing document. I will make it forbidden for this third one. Go back. And in the same way, he is authorized for everything. So nothing I have marked. I just saved this one. So he can able to access everything. The sales head. He can approve anything. Okay. That is what the configuration behind this. Guys, understood, right? No confusions.
Yes.
Yeah. So what in the transaction you are going to black, you need to mark this one. So the system will consider that has to be some status profile was maintained. So it will move to the concerned person and you can able to release the order. Okay. So this is the logic behind this screen. Okay.
Yes.
So I just saved this. So I copy this one for status profile and go and assign the status profile in the sales document types. ZRO document type. I have assigned my status profile and saved it. So come to display mode and now try to create the sales order. Yes, so I have entered the material. Quantity is 10. So I am end user now. Okay.
Yes.
So I am going to create the sales order. Is there an incompletion log? Let's see. So there was missing of PO number that we are assigned in procedure. You can see here the error message when you are maintaining the incompletion procedure, it will show it as procedure T1 is missing of VBKD, BSTKD. You get right? You understood right? The previous error, which previous configuration, what we did for the incompletion procedure. So
Yes,
it's
sir.
showing the error is likewise. So you need to go and maintain that missing part. Incompletion procedure. Click on enter. I'm an end user now. I created the order. Go to change mode.
Say no delivery created.
Yeah, it's no delivery created. Yeah, so now I try to do the delivery here. You see here, there was an error. Create delivery is not allowed for user T001. You got this?
Yes.
So this is how system will behave. So for to avoid this issue, you go to the change mode out. So now now you think me like I am a super user. So I don't have access to VA02 transaction. Okay.
Mm.
I don't have access for the VA02. End users usually don't have access to change anything. They can create the order in VA01 transaction only they will have. VA02 transactions will not have. They're not able to change anything. If any experienced, I mean the super user and co-users, that kind of persons will have the access to VA02. Okay.
Yes.
So now you think see, I am open the transaction VA02. To avoid that issue, you go to change mode of the sales order and go to header, go to status. Click on object status. See, I have given this the second user, super user. I have given the second one and go back, save it, enter, deliver. So it is saying some another issue. It's a no schedule and delivery dates and selected date. So I will give somewhat future dates. So system is now is allowing, correct?
Yes.
Now
Why,
is allowing any confusions? No, right?
sir, why they didn't allow for the previous date, sir? Because we need to approve for that.
No, it's not like that. See, it is why it is not allowed in the previous dates you're saying, right?
Yes, sir.
So the material availability date, I told you, it's based on the schedule and dates, whatever the date, it's based on that date system will consider, and the before date system will not allow to create the delivery. So if you go to, let me, before that, I will go inside to the schedule and date. One date, what date it was confirmed, the schedule and date, 2011-2024. Okay, copy this date and try to deliver now. It's allowing because today the stocks are there. Okay,
Yeah.
you understood, guys?
Because
So
of stocks, that is allowed.
because of schedule and, see, Rashmi is asking like why the schedule and dates is took it as the previous dates. Correct? Correct me. There was some confusion. So it's based on schedule and date. The system will consider the delivery date. I hope because of the previous the order before the order release, it is having the future. I mean the previous delivery dates. Now it's got confirmed on 2 days date. Okay.
Yes, sir.
After
Sir,
release.
because while see now before the status approve what we did configuration before that we
Hmm.
just used to create one sales order then automatically used to give deliver and it used to go to billing then like
Yes,
invoice.
yes.
But now after the status approve it is asking for schedule and dates.
Yeah, that means there was some connection between that status release and the deliveries, but
So
now
I was like I thought like so because of this there is an approve status so the system is considering like one day like today the end user will create a sales order so next day maybe the
yeah,
super.
yeah. I think that might be something somewhere related to that statuses. Yes, I got your point, but actually the schedule and dates was is the schedule and dates confirmed on 2 days date only. It should not ask that error first of all. But now after releasing that, it is allowing to create the order without changing the schedule and dates. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now go to the picking material. I pick this and save it and go to change mode. Goods issue. You can see when I am doing the goods issue, what it is saying.
There is
User
not.
status T002 is somewhere related to status profile. Correct? By looking at this error, you can understand, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now again, what you need to do, you go to the change mode of that sales order. Go to header. Go to status. Object status. Select the third core user. Go back. Save it. Now go to VL02N transaction for the releasing the GI. Now system is delivered. Okay. Now system is post goods issue is done. Correct.
Yes.
So the last status is, let me check the last status how it is working. F01. Try to create the sales order. Not processed. Why it is not processed? Go to the log. You can see there was in the log it was showing like user status T003 is not something. The issue is showing related to status. Now again, what you need to do, you go to the sales order again in the change mode. Go to status, object status. Click on the fourth one. Go back, save it. Yeah, so now it's come to sales head. He has access to everything. So now try to try to create the invoice for this. Enter, save it. So this is how the status profile will work. You clear, guys? Yeah. So this is about the status profile. The configuration behind that. You practice this too. I mean, incompletion procedure and status profile from your side. Okay. So guys, these fields, and apart from that, there is nothing more important fields are there. And we are already discussed, right? The quotation messages. If you mark this, then system will display the quotations with that particular user. If you outline agreements, if you mark this, the system will display the I mean any contracts, open contracts are there for that for that customer. It will list out. Okay.
Yes.
So this is the purpose of this quotation messages, outline agreement messages. So it's scheduling agreements. These fields are actually not working. We are checked that one delivery block. It's somewhere it's related to scheduling agreement document alone. I think so, but it is not working in the our sales orders. There might be some other purpose of this. So currently we are not using. So let them ignore this one. The next tab, shipping. So we are not discussed this one, right?
Yes.
Yeah, shipping, delivery type. Make a heading delivery type.
Yes. Delivery.
Yeah, delivery type. So if you maintain the delivery type, then system will automatically determines it while creating the delivery into sales document. That simple it is.
Automatically.
Determines the delivery type while creating the delivery. While creating delivery, that's all. So have you noted somewhere we are giving anywhere in the LF? No, right? Document type.
No,
LF we are giving no.
No.
So you can see here 01 TRO then quantities. Oh, it will ask for the status profile as per the understanding. So what I will do, I will remove that status profile. Why unnecessarily? That testing is already done, right? So I will try to remove this one status profile in the document type controls, for the easy testings of our things, or else it will keep on asking for the status profile and keep on we are going inside to the sales order and changing the status as well. So now try to create the delivery. So there was an incompletion. Deliver and save it. Whether have you anywhere you are given the, you see here, the system is determined the document type is LF. Where is the control? System is determine the delivery type is LF. So control is here. So if you give the document sales document type LF, then system automatically determines based on this control. Okay, that's clear. Yeah, make a note. Standard delivery type is LF. Written delivery type LR. There are few important document delivery types. Standard delivery type LF. Written delivery type LR. Cash sales BV. Delivery without order reference LO. STO is NL. STO process stock transfer order. STO delivery type is NL. STO returns NLR.
Sir, LL for what, sir? LL.
Not LL. NL.
NL.
Here NL. NL is for STO delivery type. STO is you keep it in the bracket stock transfer order. STO returns NLR. We're going to check this stock transfer orders in the business course in coming classes. Okay.
Yes.
And intercompany STO NLCC. So these are all the standard document types. Okay.
Intercompany order.
Intercompany delivery type. Intercompany delivery type. NLCC. And intercompany returns. NCR. Can you please read out what and all you are written? Standard delivery type LF.
Standard delivery type LF.
Yeah.
Return delivery type LR.
Okay.
Cash BV.
Okay.
Without reference LO.
Okay.
STO NL. That is stock transfer order.
Okay, correct.
STO returns NLR.
Perfect.
That company delivery type
NCC.
NLCC.
Intercompany returns NCR.
Yeah, you by heart this one. Though you remember this one. These are all the delivery types we are going to deal in going forward. Okay. So remember and by heart memorize this one always.
Yes.
Okay. You remember this. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So the field is whenever you are creating the delivery, the system pick the delivery type from the document type controls. Okay. The control is here. Okay, clear guys? This one,
Yes.
this field. So next is delivery black. If you maintain black, then system will automatically black the order for the delivery. Then authorized person has to check and release that black. So for example, I am making the delivery black as some reason 98 I am giving and saving and try to create the order.
So while creating some credit memo, debit memo, there was a block. No, that is that.
Yes, that will be controlled from here. I will show you the control is there in that. And try to save this order. There was incompletion. So I need to remove that incompletion or else it's keep asking the things. Save this and go to the change mode. You can see here, I have maintained the delivery block 98. So after saving the order, the system is automatically applied the 98 in the as a delivery block. So the control is here. We just made it the setup. Here we are
Shipping.
in the shipping tab. So I maintain the control of 98. So system after creating the sales order, it is flagged. Okay.
Yes.
For that reason. So I will remove this flag or else it will keep asking us in the future. The next field is immediate delivery. If you mark this, you tell me now what will happen.
After the once a document is completed, it will go to delivery.
It automatically create the
Delivery.
delivery in the background. The control is this one. For the rush orders, we make it as rush orders and cash sales. The system will automatically pick the delivery type as the system automatically create the delivery in the background. The control is this one. Okay. Yeah. So don't know. There are so many things. Our rush order is not going to create automatic delivery. I understood. Something was messed with this. I think the incompletion procedure. So usually have you noted right when creating the order itself, system automatically create the delivery.
Yes.
Yeah, the control is this one. Nothing behind that. And shipping conditions. Next field is shipping conditions. Shipping conditions is one of the parameter to determine. Note this point, or else you will forget. How shipping point will determine?
Shipping point, loading group,
Perfect.
and
Location.
the
Storage location. Correct.
plant,
Storage location.
plant loading
Okay.
group,
Hmm.
and storage location.
Perfect. Perfect. So shipping conditions, loading group, and storage
Storage
location.
location.
Loading
No.
group is plant.
Shipping point determined based on shipping conditions, loading group, and plant, not shipping condition, storage location. Okay. Make a note. Shipping point determination is based on shipping conditions, loading group, and plant.
Schedule and not schedule.
Schedule lines. So what is the transaction code for the shipping conditions?
We we will.
OVL2. Remember this and all guys, because when you see here, the shipping conditions, loading group, plant will determine the shipping point. Okay. Shipping conditions, loading group, plant. What is our shipping conditions? 01, loading group all zeros 1, and plant T100. For these, we made a setup of T201 shipping point. Okay.
Yes.
So this is how the shipping point will be determined. So we are discussing the field of shipping conditions. Shipping conditions is one of the parameter to determine shipping point into sales statement. Okay. So usually for the rush orders and cash sale process, system will pick the automatic shipping conditions as 10.
So it is a parameter to.
It is a parameter to determine shipping point into sales statement. So if you maintain the shipping conditions here, then system will override the shipping conditions from the customer master. Guys, make a note. If you maintain shipping conditions in this document type, then system will override. shipping conditions in customer master. You understood, right? What that means?
Then system will
System
override.
will overwrite.
Shipping conditions from customer master. You understood, right? What does that mean?
Yes, sir. Before it used to take from the customer master. So once we give it here, then it will overrides.
Yeah,
from-
it will override. It will override the customer. It will override the customer master. Okay. So our customer master having the shipping conditions are 0, 1. But when you are creating the order, you see here the shipping conditions is automatically peaked. It's peaked as 10 shipping conditions. So the control is here. If you maintain shipping conditions in the document type control, system will override the shipping conditions from the customer master while determining the shipping conditions into sales document. Okay, the control is this one. For the cash sales and rush order process, system will automatically determines 10 shipping immediate shipping conditions based on this control. Okay, clear, guys? Yeah. Next is billing. In the billing, you can see here there are two billings are there: order related billing and delivery related billing. You note these 2 points: order related billing and delivery related billing. Make a heading.
Yes.
Yeah. If you maintain the billing type here, then system will automatically determine the billing type based on these controls.
Sir, here if we maintain for F8, F5 and all, it will show that sir F8, F5.
Yeah. If you maintain whatever the billing document you will maintain here, system will automatically pick that billing type uh, after creating the delivery. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So delivery related billing and order related billing. You understood, right? Looking at that point, delivery related billing is so once created the delivery, then you need to create the invoice with reference to delivery. Order related billing is once created the order with reference to order, you are going to create the invoice. Here, no need of delivery. Okay. I'm noting this point. So make a note then. If it is order related billing, then system will determine billing type from order related order from order.
Then system will.
System will determine billing type from order. So if it is delivery related billing, then system will determine delivery type from delivery. So this is all about these two fields. And make a note few important billing types. In the similar way, the delivery types, there are a few important billing types that we are going to see in going forward. Okay. Standard billing type is
F2.
okay. Noted. Standard billing type is F2. For cash sales,
Yes, sir. F8.
cash sales F8. Huh? No. Cash sales it's a BV.
B.
Never created any document cash sales.
B. Cash sales we created.
We have created the cash sales, right? So many. But by the time I am not pointed, this is a billing type of effort. Let me show you one day. Which we have created. Just I am typing BV and sales organization T100. I hope we have created the cash sales. You can see we have created two documents for the cash sales. If you go to the document flow, go inside to the document, you can see cash sales, the billing type is BV. It's not the F8. Okay. Yeah, note it. Cash sales is BV. Next, returns is RE. Returns also we are already created. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But by the time I am not, the document type is this one. But you can refer this. See, for the returns we have created so many. You can see 1, 2, 3 documents we have created in the T100 itself. Okay. Returns is RE. Credit memo G2. We are also created the credit memo G2. L2 also we are created. Debit memo is L2. Credit memo G2, debit memo L2. Proforma invoice order related F5. And proforma invoice delivery related F8. Noted?
Yes.
Proforma invoice delivery related F8. Noted, right?
Yes.
Intercompany invoice IV. Invoice cancellation S1. Guys, you remember these and all. They may not ask in the interview point of view, but these are bare minimum as a consultant. You have to remember all these things. Invoice cancellation S1.
If not
Yes,
enough.
one. Yes, yes, yes for sales or credit memo cancellation is S2. Okay, guys, clear?
Yes.
Yeah. So these are all few important billing types. The intercompany one we will check in the going forward. Okay. The rest all the things we are already checked. Any confusion on this? S1, S2, BVRE. No, right?
No.
Yeah. So the next field is this is all about billing types. Billing block. Next field is billing block. If you maintain the billing block, then system will automatically block the order for billing. Then authorized person has to process it and remove the billing block. Make a note. If you maintain the billing block here,
System.
system will automatically block the order for billing. The control is here. So during note this first. I will show you. You can see here, yes, when you are doing the sales type, I mean credit memos, system is automatically blocking the there only black, correct?
Yes, sir. That is
So the control is here. I have opened the credit memo. In the credit memo, you can see the black is already maintained. By default, it is maintained as 08. So once after created the credit memo, system will block for the billing. The control is here. Okay. So we are already tested this one. No need to test again, right?
yes, sir. It
Yeah.
is.
So I'm just going back. Again coming to my PRO. Next important field is we are up to, yeah. So there was condition type line item. Make a note, condition type line items. So usually we maintain it as EK02. And there are two condition types are there, EK01, EK02. There was a different purpose is there for that. Okay, make a note. We maintain condition type line item is EK02.
Yes.
So next point, we maintain EK01 if selling price is totally dependent on cost. Are you getting what do you mean by cost?
Cost product cost.
Okay. What do you mean by SK terminology? What is cost? What we are created the one cost condition, what it is? VPRS, have we not created the cost condition type VPRS?
Yes, sir. VPRS and SK.
Yeah, VPRS is the cost condition type. So that will automatically determined into sales statement from the material master. What is the cost of the material it was maintained? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, that is the cost of the material. So we usually maintain a condition type line item is EK02. We maintain EK01 if the selling price is totally dependent on cost. So why we are maintain the EK02? Because EK02 is the cost condition. We make it as a statistical. Make a note this point also. We maintain EK02 in this field because our cost is statistical condition type. Statistical price. Cost bracket you make it as VPRS. Always remember cost is always you remember whenever you are saying cost is VPRS. Okay. We maintain EK02 because our cost condition type is statistical.
Yes.
So what is statistical?
So which sets the conditions, sir. Statistical condition.
Yeah. So what do you mean by statistical? Statistical, if you make statistical, what is the impact? If you maintain the statistical, what is the impact?
Will not post.
Perfect. Yeah, it will not post the invoice values into accounting.
Yes.
Okay. So that is the purpose of statistical. So we maintain it as condition type EK02 because our cost conditions are statistical conditions. Clear?
Yes.
Yeah. The next field is billing plan type. So nothing be more apart from this. So make a note. Yes, I need to connect 1 second. Connect the charger. Next field is billing plan type. Make a note. So we have two types of billing plans. Make a note in the point of interview. We have two types of billing plans: periodic billing and milestone billing. You can see the screen, right?
Yes.
Periodic billing and milestone billing. Make a note these points. We have two billing plan types: periodic billing and milestone billing. Make a note. Periodic billing. Next point is periodic billing. Periodic billing. Periodic billing is based on regular intervals. That is monthly billing, quarterly billing, half yearly billing, and yearly billing. Noted?
Yes, sir.
Note this, they may ask in the interview point of view. What is the billing plan type? You need to remember there are two billing types, that is periodic billing, milestone billing. So periodic billing is based on the regular intervals, that is monthly billing, quarterly billing, half yearly billing, and yearly billing. So hope you remember, you can correlate with the real time situations, like there is a contract. You have purchased any venture. Okay.
Mm.
For that, you are going to pay under the EMIs every month.
Yes.
So that will be comes under the periodic billing. That means in the monthly basis you are going to pay the bill for that. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You think in that way periodic billing is. The next field is milestone. Next billing type is milestone billing.
Yes.
Milestone billing is a billing based on work done. So here you can correlate with some projects like road constructions.
Yes, sir.
Road.
After completion of work, they're going to be generating
Yeah.
the.
So initially they will do the work and they will ask for the bill later, right?
Yes, sir.
So they will the builders will usually what will do, the builders will they construct that everything. After that they will raise a bill to the company and the company will going to pay the bill. Correct?
Yes.
So this is called comes under the milestone billing based on the work done. So the RLs you can note it activity based billing. Activity based billing. Example of a milestone billing is construction products, road products, any civil projects. Clear, right? These types of billings.
Yes.
Yeah. So if the client is, that depends on the client. So if they want to pay based on the periodic billing, milestone billing, the control is here. But so far I never used such kind of billing types. Any of my previous experience, they never used any periodic billing, milestone billings. Okay, but that the option is already provided in the SAP, so you can remember this one. Okay, guys,
Yes.
clear?
Yes.
So there was next fields, uh, delivery lead time in days. So delivery lead time is this. If we maintain the delivery lead time days here, for example, never tried, but I will try likewise. Make a note. If you maintain the lead time in days, then system will consider requested delivery date while proposing this. Make a note. If you maintain the lead timing days, then system will consider requested delivery date while proposing. Okay, I have maintained the 10 days. Noted, right?
Yes.
I save this. I have maintained as 10 days. Let me try to create the order. Enter. You see here, guys, why it took as requested delivery date as 10/4. It's considering the next dates. And also you can see the system is proposing the future dates. Guys, are you there, guys?
Sir, I didn't understand, sir.
So the lead timing days, I have maintained the 10 days here. Lead timing days, where it is? I have maintained the lead timing days 10 days. So what is the usage of this field? If you maintain the lead time in this here, then system will consider the requested date while proposing the delivery dates. Okay, you are already noted the point. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so I'm created the order after making the changes. So system is considered by default future delivery dates 4/12/2023. Why that so? It's because of we
Yeah,
made it as 10 days here.
10 days.
If you go to
Means,
calendar,
sir, we can't deliver up till 4/12/2023.
yes. So we counted delivered till 4/12/2023. No, it doesn't mean. So now if you want to push for the delivery, you can push it. Manually you can allow. But system by default it was proposing as by considering the lead time dates from the document type controls. Okay, that is what the usage of that field. Got it?
Yes.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can see today's date is.
So after 10 days means 1.
After 10 days it should be
Yeah.
1, right?
Yes.
So but you can see here today is 20th. I don't know whether we can load this calendar. Yeah, you can see here in the calendar today is 20th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Saturday, Sunday it's showing as off. Okay.
Sir. Okay.
6, 7, 8, 9.
Yeah.
After that, again Friday there was a holiday. I don't think why that is. 10. After 10, it is proposing as the 11th day. As a,
2 and 3 is holiday.
yeah. So 1, 2, 3, and is the holiday. So it was by default it was proposing 4th as a proposed delivery dates. Okay, that is the usage of that one. You clear that?
Yes.
Yeah. So I was removing that field from the 10 days. The next field is
incompletion thing we can't remove it in a document, this document, sir.
yeah, we can remove that one. Where is that incompletion thing? Yeah, this one. Yeah, it's a grayed out. You need to go to that path and you need to replace. Okay. And I don't think I have maintained any much more incompletion. Just it's keep on asking the P1 number, but you can enter that P1 number. That's not that much difficult, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you keep it likewise only. Anyway, it's a customized, so I am keeping that everything, whatever we did. So the next field is delivery type. So in the which format the delivery type has to be displayed. It's a day format, week format, month format, period format. That will be controlled here. Okay.
Yes.
Day format will be controlled by this field. The next is proposed delivery date. If you check this, system by default, it will propose the delivery dates. Guys,
Yes, sir.
you check this. If you check this, then system will by default system will propose the delivery dates. You can see here how system is proposed the delivery dates based on this one. If you uncheck this, then system will user has to
Enter manually.
user has to enter manually. If I uncheck that one, you can see here there was an important field.
Yes.
Yeah, so the control is that one. So you need to give the requested delivery date manually here. What is the requested delivery date and keep on entering the things. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, this is the purpose of requested delivery date. Proposed requested delivery date. I'm replacing back again. So I want to propose automatically whenever the creating the sales order. So propose PO date. So if you check this, the system will automatically copy the PO date here as a today days. Okay.
Yes.
So I have checked that one. I try to save this. You see, proposed delivery date. I mean, P1 number. It's automatically took the 2 days date. Correct.
Yes.
Today is 20th, but our system is 1 day behind. So on 1911, it took automatically. The control is this one. Guys, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So each and every field I am trying to explaining you guys. Please, for you also try to understand in that way and proposed pricing date. So if you mark this field controls the pricing date should be determined based on the which date, based on today's date or customer requested delivery date. The field is controlled here. Make a note.
Yes, sir. Check.
This field controls the pricing date that should determine based on which date. If you make it blank, then the system will consider as today's date. If you maintain EA, then system will consider based on the requested delivery date. Okay?
Sir,
Yeah.
so field controls the pricing date.
Yeah. This field controls the pricing date that system should determine based on which date. Example, today's date or customer requested delivery date. So if you make it EA, that means it is requested delivery date. So what is the customer requested delivery date in the previous case? It's considered as a 4/12/2023, correct?
Yes.
So on 4/12/2023, then system will determine what prices are there on 4/12/2023. On that date, the prices will be system will carry. Okay.
Yes.
The
Okay.
control is this one. If you want to propose by default today's date, then you make it blank. Okay.
Yes.
The control is that one. So the next field is propose PO, propose valid from date. So if you check this, then system will consider by default valid from date. You can see here. Actually, here the pricing date is there, but there is no valid from date in the sales orders. But if you hope you remember, guys, when you are doing the contracts, system is asking for the valid from and to, right?
Yes.
Yeah. In that case, system by default it will propose the today's date as a valid from date. If you mark this field, okay. Propose valid from date, it will propose based on this control. Propose valid from date. Make a heading next to the proposed pricing date. Next field is propose valid from date. So if you mark this, then system will automatically fill the valid from date based on this control. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is looks like that's a contract. It's not required. These fields and all. And there is nothing much more about to discuss about this fields controls. Okay, guys, you try to prepare one chart and memorize all the fields. They may ask, can you please explain any 10 important fields in sales document type controls? Then you should remember this so that you will try to write it down in the note or somewhere in your chart kind of thing. So you remember this all the fields. They may ask, can you please tell me any 10 fields from the sales document type control? So I told you almost all the fields with what and all the important fields. I try to explain everything. So you list out any, not list out. If you remember this, then see in the general data what and all the important fields: difference, mandatory, check division, probability, check credit limit, credit group. Likewise, you would remember everything. Okay.
Yes.
You try to remember, and when they are asking for the interview point of view, they may ask any 10 important fields, and then you have to then and there you can try to give the explanation to them. Okay.
Yes.
But you know how what and fields everything what it is designed in this SAP. Now you know everything, right? The document type controls. Yeah. So another 20 minutes time is there before starting account. I thought to finish account groups and partner determination today. So tomorrow exclusively I will plan for those classes. So before that, do you have any questions on this? Any document type controls?
No, sir.
Make a note few questions. Make a note few questions. Client request. So now you need to tell me what is the control. So,
Sir, why is this?
one second. I'm moving. Yeah. So client requirement is that they they want to create the orders division specific. So where is the control? Make a note. Question. Client requirement is
They want to create
they want to create the order division specific. Where is the control? Where is the control?
general control.
Yeah. General control. Okay. Where is the control? If you check this, the check division, then system will check the division specific sales orders. Correct.
Yes.
So that is what our client requests. You need to mark this check. Check division. Okay. Next question is client requirement is they want to go for the automatic credit check. Where is the control?
They want to
Go for the automatic credit control.
check.
What you will do? Yeah. They want to go for the automatic credit checks, right? So the control is this one. If you set D in check
Credit
credit
limit.
limits, then
Check
system will
credit.
perform automatic credit checks. Okay.
Yes.
If client requirement is they want to refer the sales orders with reference to invoice. How to control?
What's the command?
Client requirement is they want to create the order with reference to invoice. Always. Where is the control? Please tell me what where is the control? I keep the screen in front of you. Please try to attempt.
Yes.
Reference mandatory. You can see here reference mandatory. If you make it as invoice billing document with reference M, then system will ask for the invoice creation. I told you, right? The reference field. The system will ask for the invoice while creating the sales order. Clear, guys?
Yes.
Yeah. So our client requirement is they want to earlier they are using the CMIR. Now they don't want to determine any field from the CMIR. Where is the control?
Before they were using
CMIR, customer material info record. CMIR. Now they don't want to use the CMIR fields. Where is the control? Where is the control? Guys, in this way, the interview point of view, they may ask. So in that way, you need to prepare. It's not only for the interview point of view, but once you after join the any company, so they will come up with this kind of things only. So you also be always proactive. I mean, so you will understand by asking the question itself. You have some analysis in your mind. That much preparation is required by understanding SD. Okay.
Yes.
So earlier they are using the CMIR. Now they don't want to use the CMIR. So just uncheck this read info record. That's all. It not read the CMIR. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So client requirement is after creating the order by the end user, the order should be sent to authorized people to cross check and release. Where is the control?
After status profile.
Yeah, perfect. So today only we are discussed. I thought if you are forgetting, then that is problem for you from you.
So only I told first answer.
Perfect, huh? Status profile. Make a note. If client requirement is after creating the order by the end user. The order should be sent to authorized people to cross check and release. Where is the control? Okay, noted.
Yes.
Yeah, next question. Client requirement is they want some mandatory fields. If those are missing in the sales order,
So into.
client requirement is there are few mandatory fields.
Yes, sir.
If those fields are missing, then system should not allow to save the sales order. Where is the control?
Incompletion.
Yeah, incompletion
Yes.
procedure. Yeah, you need to set the incompletion procedure so that system will ask for that missing fields. So client requirement is they want to block the order once created the sales order.
What's that? I mean,
Client requirement is they want to block the client requirement is they want to block the they want to set the billing black once after created the order. Where is the control?
You will check in billing block.
Perfect. So the billing black if you set here, then system will black the
look
order.
that.
Yeah. So
Sir, we are making down the questions, sir.
you're noting, right?
Come again for the billing block, that question, sir.
Yeah, see the client requirement is they want to set the billing block once after created the sales order. Where is the control? Billing black. Set the billing black. Okay. Client requirement is once created the sales order, system automatically create the delivery. Where is the control?
Automatically create the
Delivery. Where is the control?
automatically.
Delivery. Immediate delivery into X.
Yeah, immediate delivery you need to mark it as X. Correct. So
Sir, you should mark it as blank, sir. X means it will not create.
it will create. Mark means it will create. Create delivery if quantity confirmed for today.
If you black it is not create.
If it is blank, delivery you need to create manually.
Very immediately there is A, no, sir. A.
Yeah, it should be A actually. Because of that reason, it's not creating our delivery so far. Yeah, nice observation. So let me try to create one sales order. I thought I need to dig why it is not creating for the delivery. I need to remove this, or else see here. Due to that reason, it's so far it's not created automatical delivery. So once after change it to EA, then it's creating for the delivery. Okay.
Yes.
The control is immediate delivery. If you need to check the immediate delivery, then system will create automatical delivery in the background. Okay.
Yes.
So client requirement is they want to propose the requested delivery date after 15 days. Where is the control?
They want to propose the
Requested delivery dates after 15 days.
So lead time in days, delivery date
Lead timing days.
after 10 days,
Yeah, lead timing days. It will consider as
15 days.
15 days. Perfect. This is and system wants to consider the pricing date based on the requested delivery date. Where is the control?
Propose a pricing date.
No, propose for pricing dates. So if you mark that request for the requested delivery date, then system will consider based on the RDD. RDD in the sense requested delivery dates. Okay.
Yes.
So this is all about the class today. The total controls. So tomorrow exclusively we are working on the
Account group.
account groups and partner determinations. After that, we will check transfer of requirement material. The next class, immediate next class, transfer of requirement and availability check. After that, there are few other configuration tasks are there, like revenue account determinations and such things. And apart from that, there are some business flows like make to order, third party sales, IPO process, and STO, intercompany STO. The processes we will finish from our side. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So tomorrow again 7:30. So 7:30 to 9:30. The same way.
sir.
Yeah.
Sir, if I want to check what all the invoices I have created, like not only F2 invoices, sir, I want to check full invoices like returns, contract, everything. Is there any table which displays?
Yeah. So you go to the table for billing document header table is VBAK. Just go and give the what is your sales organization?
It's 400.
It's 400 and execute. It will list out all the document types which are 21 invoices you are already created. Out of that, most of them F2s and return invoices is also created. Debit memo is also created, and you are created cash sales. Pro forma invoice you are created.
This
Credit
how you
memo.
got, sir? This how you got?
You go to the table SC16N and
No,
VBAK
no,
table.
this type, this one. Now you filtered, no, sir.
Yeah,
F2.
you just go to the filters and click on list out. It will list out the what and all the filter contents are there.
Okay.
Yeah, returns, filters. Okay, perfect. You try to create list all the billing types and anything apart from this we are created. BB it is G2. Yeah, you are almost done with the returns, credits, debits, standard invoice, pro forma invoice, and F5 is missing. And apart from that, we are nothing more discussed.
Sir,
Only F5 you need to create. You create F5 one.
sir, about contract, where it will be there, sir? Contract also I created.
So
So contract will
contract,
be F2. Okay.
yeah, that will comes under F2.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Yeah. Okay. Perfect. So this all about the document type controls. So we will catch you tomorrow. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.